Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I get to ride a beast of a bike today, and the beast is that thing. It is Keis Honda Rebel CMX 500. Steering lock off, key in. It is a good looking bike though. Oh my god, this feels so weird. So if you're asking why am I riding this today, well, I'm riding this because it is due its first ever MOT, and Kay's working. I've got the day off work. We'll go into that quickly in a minute. So I've got to take it for its MOT. Well, I haven't got to, but I said I would. Yeah, I've got the day off work because I messed up. The kids go on half term next week, and I had it in my head that the kids broke up yesterday on the Thursday, and Friday was teacher training day. Well, it's not. Their teacher training day is the Monday after the week off. So yeah, so I've booked the Friday and next week off, and I didn't even need to book the day off work. But oh well, it's worked out quite well. Ooh, fucking hell, white lines. It's worked out quite well because it means I can get the bike MOT because it is due tomorrow. It's not very often I actually get to ride this bike, but it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. But it is a great little 500cc. Luckily, the test centre for the MOT is 5 minutes away from the house. Taking it to the person I always go to, Gaz, Fat Bloke Cycles, and he's going to have the time of his life looking at me on this. Obviously, I'm normally on the Africa Twin, and now I'm on the Rebel 500. He's a Harley guy himself, so he's going to absolutely love this. Really don't like this front wheel though. This front wheel is horrible. Just takes some getting used to, I think. Very, very misty. Well, I don't even know if the audio is going to come across on this. I've been waffling shit, but the last few videos I've tried to do have had nothing but audio issues. So if the audio works, I can use it. I've got about 3 videos I can't use because there is zero audio. And if the audio is not my problem, it's either Kay's problem. You know, it's either the drifter's messed up again, or it's my audio that's messed up. Fat Bloke Cycles. Are they here yet? Someone is. Aha. Now guys, let's get it MOT'd. See you in a bit. Oh. Well, the bike has passed, but it has got an advisory. Oh no, one advisory. And the advisory is something Kay is going to have to sort out. That's a great place to park. The exhaust is too quiet. So no, that's only joking around. There is no advisories. It passed with flying colours. I mean, Kay's done some miles on this bike already. I think we got it with, I can't remember if it was 600 or 800 miles on the bike, and it has now done 3,292. So I mean, yeah, Kay's put some miles on it. Bless her. Her confidence is like come on so much. But yeah, just before I pulled in there, I said something about the audio and videos. So, been having an issue with audio. Keis drift, might just be a wire connection that's done, I don't know. But yeah, we lost audio off that. I mean, the drift camera is a pain in the arse anyway. But I'm having the same issue as well now, and I don't know, again, it might just be a loose connection to the mic, I don't know. I've got videos done, well, I've got footage, but no audio. Now, whether I do anything with that, or do I just get rid of all the footage, I don't know. But I would just like to say, we have just hit another milestone on the channel. We have just hit 400 subscribers, which is amazing. I can't believe, I'm over the moon that we've hit that 400. It's took a long time to get there, but we are there. Oh my god, this thing's got no suspension. So literally a very, very, very quick video, this one. It's a crappy day. Cameron's at school, Kay's at home working from home. Let's go spend some time with her, as a husband and wife should do. But this bike, honestly, it's once you get used to it, once you get used to it, it is a brilliant little bike. And I know I say little bike, and I say little bike just to piss Kay off, but it really is. But it is so light. That front wheel, I don't like that front wheel though, I will admit that, I don't like it. I'm used to just banking down and the bike doing what I want it to do, whereas this, I'm having to actually steer the bike. And I'm not a big fan of that at all. It's like having a car tyre on the front end. Let's go get the keys to the garage. This is where the camera now fogs up. But I do need to tell Kay the bad news. Hi, darling. It's got an advisory.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Exhaust is too quiet. Not my words. That's Gaz's words, not mine.
I don't give a shit. Okay.
That's what he said.
That's what I said.
Okay. Well, you got her reaction. Yeah? Yeah, passed. Yeah, just one advisory.
You being a dick.
Not my words. Oh, it's a pain in the arse, this is. How many sets of keys do you need for a garage? Hey, baby. There she is. Still, love that thing. My garage is a mess. My garage is a mess. I don't really care, though. Seeing that one, look at it. I have boobs, so I win. Yeah, fucking does as well. Now this is very weird. Oh my god. Think then. Yeah, this is really weird because the bikes are normally the opposite way around. I've got my disc lock on that one. I do. So that's Kay's disc lock on that, and then Kay's chain. I'll put her chain on in a second. But no, guys, there's my baby. Beautiful bike. Kay's bike has passed with flying colours. We were only joking about the advisory. But yeah, we shall be getting some videos out hopefully this next week coming. Well, getting some video footage hopefully. Obviously Cameron is off school. Kay's still working. Haha. Tough shit. So I'm going to try and get Cameron out as much as I can. Saves him sitting in the house on his bloody Xbox. But yeah, thought I'd just do a quick video on the Honda Rebel. It's not very often I ride it. Yeah, MOT done. The two Hondas. Right guys, hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you stay safe, and we hope to see you out there. See you in a bit.